Let's kick things off with an easy one: whitening toothpaste. You probably already have this in your bathroom. Most drugstores carry a variety of whitening toothpaste brands, so finding one that fits your budget shouldn't be too difficult. Whitening toothpastes work by using special abrasives that gently polish away surface stains on your teeth. These abrasives are designed to be safe for everyday use, unlike harsh scrubbing, which can damage your enamel. Now, don't expect miracles overnight. Whitening toothpastes work gradually, and you'll likely start seeing results within a few weeks of consistent use. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to oral hygiene. Next up, we're going back to our roots with oil pulling. This ancient practice has gained popularity in recent years for its potential oral health benefits, including teeth whitening. Oil pulling involves swishing a tablespoon of oil, usually coconut oil, in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. Think of it like a mini mouthwash session. The oil works by pulling out bacteria and toxins from your mouth, which can contribute to teeth staining. Plus, coconut oil in particular contains lauric acid, known for its antimicrobial properties. While more research is needed to confirm its effectiveness in teeth whitening, many people swear by oil pulling. Give it a try and see for yourself. We all have our guilty pleasures, but some of those pleasures can wreak havoc on our pearly whites. Coffee, tea, red wine. These beverages are notorious for staining teeth. Now, I'm not saying you have to give them up entirely, but moderation is key. If you can't resist your daily cup of joe, try using a straw to minimize contact with your teeth. And remember, rinsing your mouth with water after consuming staining foods and drinks can make a big difference. It's all about making smart choices. By being mindful of what you consume, you can maintain a brighter smile for longer. Looking for a natural way to whiten your teeth at home? Look no further than your pantry. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, two household staples, can be combined to create a simple yet effective teeth whitening paste. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, acts as a mild abrasive, gently removing surface stains. Hydrogen peroxide, on the other hand, acts as a bleaching agent, breaking down those stubborn stains. To create your DIY whitening paste, simply mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of hydrogen peroxide to form a paste-like consistency. Apply it to your teeth, leave it on for a minute or two, and then rinse thoroughly. Remember, moderation is key, as overuse can potentially damage your enamel. For those seeking more dramatic results, professional teeth whitening treatments are the way to go. Dentists have access to stronger whitening agents and techniques that can significantly brighten your smile in a shorter amount of time. Before proceeding, your dentist will examine your teeth to ensure you're a suitable candidate for whitening. They'll consider factors such as the severity of staining, the condition of your enamel, and any existing dental work. Remember, professional treatments come at a cost, so it's important to discuss your options and budget with your dentist. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness advice. Keep smiling. Remember, achieving a brighter smile is a journey, and it starts with taking care of your oral health. By incorporating these tips into your routine and consulting with your dentist, you'll be well on your way to flashing those pearly whites with confidence. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep smiling.